Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Power BI and Excel, and at times I upload videos related to writing prompts to AI. So in case you're new to my channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you, and to the existing subscribers, I would like to thank you very much for your continued support. So as usual, we'll be learning the DAX query, all right, and we'll be learning a DAX query named date. Okay, so I'll walk you through the definition. Obviously, this is very self-explanatory that it helps to do the calculation in regards to date and time data. Okay, and it's used for performing time intelligence calculations. All right, filtering and slicing, date calculations, etc., etc. All right. So let's look at how this tax query will be written. All right. So in very simple words, let's say that when you have the year, month, and day in a different format, different columns, like what you can see in this data set, right? If you in real life also you may come across such a similar scenario. So that's when this date tax query will be very handy. So I will help you with how to write this. Okay, I'll mention proper date, and the reason I'm mentioning that is just to make sure to not to confuse this with anything else. And also one thing that just clicked on my mind is that you do not confuse this with concatenate. Okay, concatenate also is very similar to this function, but it's just that it combines you know uh, text or values from one or two different columns into a combined column. This also does the same thing, but this is specifically for year, month, and day. Okay, if that makes any sense to you. All right, so I will. All right, first we are looking at what year. So the column is this column. It is in this table named 9875, and then month, year, month, and then we're looking at day. All right, so I'll close the bracket, hit enter, and in some time you can see that it has combined all these three, which is year, month, and day into this date format. Now we'll do some formatting. We'll change it to date. We don't need the time, we only need date. Alright, so you can clearly see that this has done the needful. And if you want, let's say in um, mmddyy, we can do that also. See, it did the needful. It did the needful. Alright, so that's it for today's video. And as I told you that I will try to explore as many DAX queries as possible. There is a lot to learn in Power BI. This is a vast tool, and the more we learn about this tool, it will really be very handy, because different DAX measures do serve different purposes. All right, dashboard is just one of the activities that a data analyst does in a real life world. That is just like once in a month activity. That is not everything. Okay, because influencers do mislead people who are wanting to venture into this field. They're doing they're not doing the proper job. All right, so don't fall for the tricks of those influencers. Okay, so the more in depth you study about a tool, is always going to benefit you. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for patiently watching this video, and do support this channel wherein you getting a knowledge free of cost. Okay, take care, have a lovely day.